Yo, YouTube, what is going on? Damn, this video was really highly requested, so I finally decided to record it for you guys. Apologies for the delay. But today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get unlimited free coins in Hamster Kombat. You can get not only free coins in Hamster Kombat, but you can get level upgrades, basically everything unlocked. You can get the cards as well. Super simple, guys. Yeah, and it literally will only take you a few minutes. This is using a Hamster Kombat plugin or a mod. And I'm going to run through these steps and show you how to go ahead and do this, guys. And like I said, this is going to give you free coins and more features as well. So you need to use a mobile phone, of course, and just make sure you have, of course, Telegram with Hamster Kombat. And if you're on low power mode, guys, make sure low power mode is turned off. So if it's on, turn it off, because that does limit the background app refresh, which we will need. So let's head on over to this website, guys. So use your mobile phone and go to www.wavyplugin.com. So Wavy Plugin, this is basically a modded app store that I found, and you can see they have some awesome mods and plugins on here. They have some premium applications as well. Go to the search bar, type in Hamster, and it should pop up, guys. Hamster Kombat plugin, unlimited coins, maximum level, and free card upgrades. This is working on iOS and Android. So this is basically going to be a plugin, guys, that sits on your phone and you run it in the background as you play Hamster Kombat, and it's going to provide you with all of those resources. So super easy, guys. When this gets to the end, you're going to see a new screen. If this is your first time on Wavy Plugin, you'll probably need to do a device verification, which will take between 5 and 10 minutes, but it is completely free and it is super easy, guys. And that is how to get the Hamster Kombat plugin, and that's how to get free coins, and you can also get maximum level and free card upgrades. So hope you found this video useful, guys. I know it's a super quick tutorial, but just go to Wavy Plugin, search for the Hamster Kombat plugin, and go ahead and just verify your device once that reaches the end. And that is it, guys. That is the best and easiest method to get free coins in Hamster Kombat. So enjoy, guys, and yeah, I shall see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.